Ever had someone take a step back while you're talking? Or maybe you've caught yourself doing the old hand-over-mouth breath check? Bad breath is embarrassing, but here's the thing, most people don't even know they have it. So what actually causes bad breath? And more importantly, how do you get rid of it? Stick around because I'm going to break it all down and give you some easy home remedies that actually work. Bad breath or halitosis isn't just about eating too much garlic or forgetting to brush your teeth. Sure, food plays a role, but if your breath smells bad all the time, even after brushing, it could be a sign of something deeper, like bacteria buildup, dry mouth, or even gut health issues. In fact, studies show that about 50% of people deal with bad breath at some point. That means half of us might be walking around with funky breath without even realizing it. So, what exactly is happening inside your mouth that's causing that stink? And what can you do about it? Let's dive in. What causes bad breath? First, bacteria buildup. Your mouth is home to hundreds of bacteria, and when they break down food particles, they release sulfur compounds. Sulfur equals stink. That's why morning breath is so bad. Bacteria have been partying in your mouth all night. Second, dry mouth saliva is like nature's mouthwash. It helps wash away food and bacteria, but when your mouth is dry, like after sleeping or drinking alcohol, there's nothing to rinse away the gunk, leading to bad breath. Third, food choices. Certain foods like onions, garlic, and coffee linger in your system even after digestion. The compounds get into your bloodstream and can even come out through your lungs, so brushing won't help much. Fourth, poor oral hygiene. If you're not brushing and flossing properly, plaque builds up, trapping bacteria and food particles. This is why skipping flossing is a big mistake. Bad breath often comes from between your teeth. Lastly, gut issues and tonsil stones. Sometimes the problem isn't even your mouth. Gut imbalances, acid reflux, or tonsil stones, small smelly lumps that form in the back of your throat, can also make your breath smell awful. Now that we know the causes, here's how to fix it, without spending a ton on mouthwashes that only mask the smell. First, hydrate like crazy. Drinking water helps flush out food particles and bacteria. If your mouth is dry, your breath is probably bad. Simple fix, drink more water. Next, brush and floss correctly. Sounds obvious, but here's the thing. Most people don't brush long enough or floss at all. Brush for at least 2 minutes and floss daily to remove the stuff your toothbrush can't reach. Use a tongue scraper. Your tongue is a bacteria magnet. Brushing your tongue helps, but a scraper is way more effective. In fact, research suggests that tongue scraping can reduce bad breath by up to 70%. Chew on fresh herbs like parsley, mint, and cilantro. They contain natural oils that neutralize odors. Plus, they help stimulate saliva production. Try apple cider vinegar or lemon water. Both help balance the pH in your mouth and kill odor-causing bacteria. Just don't overdo it. Too much acid can harm your enamel. Yogurt for gut health is another great option. Probiotics found in yogurt can help balance the bacteria in your mouth and gut. Studies show that eating yogurt daily can reduce bad breath by 80% after 6 weeks. You can also make a DIY baking soda mouth rinse. Baking soda neutralizes odors and kills bacteria. Just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a cup of water and rinse for 30 seconds. And finally, check your diet. Cut back on sugary foods and processed carbs. They feed bad bacteria. Eating more fibrous foods like apples and carrots helps clean your teeth naturally. Alright, quick recap. Bad breath is usually caused by bacteria buildup, dry mouth, food choices, or gut health issues. The best fixes: stay hydrated, brush and floss properly, use a tongue scraper, eat probiotic-rich foods, and try simple home remedies like lemon water or baking soda rinses. And if your bad breath just won't go away, it might be time to check with a dentist or doctor. Because sometimes, chronic halitosis can be a sign of something more serious, like gum disease or acid reflux. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And let me know in the comments, what home remedy are you excited to try first? See you in the next one.